Hey, great. Thanks for subscribing. In a few minutes, probably about 5, you will be receiving an email from me, Steve. So please check your inbox, spam folder, or promotion tab. Mark this email as important and add me to your contacts in your email provider. Nobody in the marketplace is doing this. I will be sending you incredibly valuable and high quality content to your email inbox. I do not want you to miss out on anything, so make sure you whitelist all emails from me, Steve, at simplepathtofreedom.com. Great. Now that's out of the way. I have just sent you a PDF of a simple 3-step method of how you can fast track your online success with any offer at no cost to you. Free. Meanwhile, click on the button below to continue to find out how I earn easy money from home. Thanks again, and see you on the inside. Visit simplepathtofreedom.com.